Welcome back to Shib everyone. By 2025, what is the estimated value of 20 million Shiba Inu coins? Shib News. According to the most recent information, the eagerly anticipated Sharium is currently nearing completion. The crypto community is thrilled about the debut of this Layer 2 blockchain solution testnet, according to the Shiba Inu team. The price of Shib began to rise as soon as it was reported that the Sharium testnet will go live. One of the reasons this coin has performed well is the increasing demand for it, as more investors purchase Shiba Inu before the expected boom following the product's real introduction. In order to solve the significant issue of Shiba Inu's dependence on the Ethereum blockchain, Sharium was created. The Shiba Inu ecosystem will be powered by the blockchain solution, which will also enable developers to expand upon it. As a result, it is among the most important tools that will increase Shiba Inu coin adoption. The value of 20 million Shiba coins by 2025 will be discussed in this video. Shib News. Please remember to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and pricing projections for Shiba Inu. Let's get the video started right now. According to CoinGecko, the price of Shiba Inu increased by 15.2% in the last day and 31.2% in the last 7 days on January 17. With a market value of 0.12, Shib is now the 13th largest digital asset, but it has experienced one of the greatest price increases among the top 100 cryptocurrencies. The 24-hour trading volume of the memecoin has increased by around 200%. With the majority of these deals taking place on Binance and Coinbase. Altcoins are seeing robust rallies after those of market leaders like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as has frequently happened in past market cycles. This could be because traders are reinvesting their winnings from large-cap assets into smaller ones. According to data from CryptoQuant, on January 10th, over 14 trillion Shib tokens were placed on exchanges, marking a huge rise in the quantity of tokens being moved to these platforms. The price increase today implies that assets might not be sold in the spot market, but rather used to open derivative bets. If long positions start to liquidate, the Shib price may become more volatile if the recent price movements are based on the derivatives market. The Shiba Inu team revealed earlier this week that it is developing Sharium, a Layer 2 network that would run on Ethereum. In their blog post launching the project, the developers admitted that some people saw Sharium as a price-pumping tool, but that has never been the initiative's main emphasis. Instead, the team contends that its new Layer 2 network would boost ecosystem token transaction speeds and reduce expenses. Throughout January, there has been a remarkable increase in the price of Shiba Inu. However, since longer timeframes don't always provide the best bullish indications, care should be used. Investors are paying close attention to Shiba Inu's price because the month-long surge in volatility has produced a number of lucrative day trading chances. The market is experiencing a momentary halt, and while the technicals are pointing north, there are reasons to be wary of the long-term prospects of the upswing. The current price of Shiba Inu is 0.0000001037. On the daily period, the Relative Strength Index, RSI, an indicator that evaluates trend potential by contrasting and comparing prior pivot points, displays an odd circumstance. Given that the indicators broke above overbought circumstances above the 70 level during the most recent surge, they are definitely optimistic. Regretfully, the rise hardly affected the weekly RSI. The surge exhibits a concealed bearish divergence and stays in the neutral zone. This might be a subliminal indication that the market's early bulls are rowing toward a waterfall that could be liquidated in the upcoming weeks. If so, a challenge to the recent origin point at 0.000000000800 might be successful, leading to a 25% drop in the current Shib price. Additionally, the smart money may qualify Shib's potential for future uptrends at the liquidity level above the concealed bearish divergence. The bearish thesis might be disproved by a breakthrough of 0.1516, which would then trigger a rally toward the August high of 0.1793. which would represent a 75% rise from Shiba Inu's current market value. In the comment thread on January 15, 2023, many people expressed their admiration for Shiba Inu and occasionally said that it was better than Dogecoin, the original meme token that was introduced as a joke on Bitcoin in 2013. Shib is still rising steadily, and there are currently no indications that the market is turning around. A number of Sharian-related upgrades and listings on several major cryptocurrency exchanges are probably the primary causes of this sudden rising trend. Since Shiba Inu has been consolidating near the 200 to 100-day moving average for over 4 days, which may have been an accumulation period prior to the breakout we saw today, it has also been indicating the potential for a breakout. However, according on his previous tweets, David Jin exclusively has Doge and Shiba Inu. We'll probably see the burning volume continuing to rise if the market's current price trend holds. The Japanese trading platform altcoin Japan, a division of the San Francisco-based exchange, added support for the second largest meme coin by market capitalization value at the beginning of December. The market is not expected to do much, and the bearish trends are still there. According to the most recent Shiba Inu coin news, it might take a while for the industry to bounce back from this trend. While some analysts predict that investors will have a prosperous future, many believe that a significant crypto winter is still to come. The price may surpass the 0.269 objective with additional stimulation from programs like DAO, Shiba Inu game, and NFTs. In the meantime, the price may drop to 0.185 due to normal buying and selling pressures. Lastly, the price may drop to $0.00102 due to bearish patterns. The increasing adoption by luxury and retail firms may pave the path for international recognition and the flood of high-end clients. Since whales currently own the majority of the market, followed by individual investors, the spiking influence is clearly visible. Nevertheless, the volume that retailers have helped has been steadily increasing. Shib's price might therefore reach a price tag of 0.00361 if buy orders grow. However, a lack of demand and declining Shib statistics could drive the price down below 0.35. The average price may find its foundation at 0.00250 when taking into account the bullish and bearish targets. Shib is anticipated to grow significantly over time if the maker's innovative ideas come to fruition and if it becomes a prominent player in the metaverse. The price of Shib can reach 0.00437. Shib may trade at an average price of 0.377 if the market forces the price through normal buying and selling pressures. On the dark side, FUD and pessimistic attitudes could drive the price down below 0.000000318 if investors are unable to keep up with the digital assets liquidity on exchanges. It should be emphasized that the price estimate for Shiba Inu is now down more than 87% from its all-time high of 0.0000008845. However, if the bulls surge in, Shiba Inu might reach reachable highs of 0.259 before the end of 2023 based on CoinPD's price prediction. On the downside, the memecoin's price may enter a bearish hook and drop to 0.00112 if it succumbs to bearish trends driven by large liquidations. The network added Leash as the next token after Shib. The network swiftly transformed from a rebased token to a fungible one. The token presently has a fixed quantity of 100,000, and the keys were burned, just like the previous token. According to the network, there will be specific benefits for everyone who maintains the currency's liquidity. Since Ethereum powers the network, it is extremely secure while being a developing project. We may anticipate that Shiba Inu will benefit from the shift since Ethereum plans to move from POW to POS consensus procedures. Among other notable exchanges, the altcoin is listed on Coinbase Pro, Binance, Coin, Wazirix India, and Uniswap. That concludes today. To view our most recent content, remember to give it a huge thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel. This corrects grammatical faults while preserving the original length and content.